So my name is Benjamin Bory, and I am the This tool is extremely good at is to screen rapidly a vast landscape of materials and properties for a specific usage in the end. So really, if I had to list down the applications, I would say it's mainly in optics, in electronics such as capacitors or oxides, neuromorphic computing, for example, sensors, also very interesting applications. Novel applications such as quantum as well are very interesting. And just bare material research, if we want to investigate, new types of materials, but not just materials that would be dedicated to a specific application.